Hi there, I'm Richard Colfers with Yagi Labs. We're going to be answering the question, how to set up a project or a sequence for 640 by 360. So first thing you have to do is open a new project or open an existing project. Then we want to get the videos we're looking at. I'll import some videos. Alright, here we go. We're flying over Antelope Island in Utah here. It's a pretty cool shot. So I pull that up in my project settings or my project files. We notice right here, once I click on the video, that it says 1280 by 720 with a 1 next to it, which is the aspect ratio. That says it's square. It's 1:1. Frames per second, 29 frames per second. And the audio, 4800 hertz. It's important information to know. You want to get that because it's going to tell us what we need to make our settings for and get the video to the best quality we can. So I'm going to File, New Sequence, and I'm going to click on the General tab, and I want my little dot here to say Desktop. That's going to give me the options to configure a custom setting. So 640 by 360, which will make this a 16 by 9 video or widescreen. Now, my video is a square pixel. If you're working with some different type of video that has maybe the anamorphic, like some 1080 stuff does, it's 1.3 ratio. If you're working with PAL, I mean, you have to select the setting that best matches your source video. Then I'll leave that default, leave this all default, make sure my audio is 4800 hertz, audio sample. Video preview, it's going to be the same. You can save that preset, that way you don't have to mess with it later on. Then click OK. I'm going to take this video, drag it to the timeline. What I'll show you right now is this video is actually double the size of this frame. So if I reduce that preview size, click on it. This whole frame here is the actual video, as you can see. So because it will match perfectly with this particular resolution, I can actually just go ahead and reduce my scale to 50. And it'll fit that video in there and it'll look pretty good. You're going to have to work with your video depending on the actual source video, if it's 720, if it's 480, if it's 1080, and depending on the actual pixel aspect ratio it recorded in. So work with it, play with it a little bit. That's all I can really say because I don't know specifically what you're working with right now. Now we're going to export this and we're going to upload it to wherever, but we're going to export it in the same settings of the sequence. And this is where a lot of people I found get confused because it has its own funny things it wants to do if you don't actually set it up. I want MPEG-4, but I just want to match my sequence settings. And that's it. I look now, it's what I set up initially. So I hit export or I queue it. So that's how you set up your Adobe CS5 project or sequence to 640 by 360. That's how you're going to export it. If you need a specific question answered with the specific video setting, throw that down in the comments. Send us a message here at Yagi Labs. We'll get your question answered. Also, I want to drop a hint on you. If you have any inclination at all to take your hobbies and any skill that you have to the next level and making a little side income, check out our Internet Business Academy. We put together some great training to assist you on actually taking your skills and hobbies and doing something with it other than working a desk job at wherever. All right, I'm Richard Colfers. You have a great day.